Hey, how's it going, guys? Alright, so this is a question I get pretty often. How do you check a file exists on your computer? So here in my Python script, I'm going to import the OS module. And from the OS module, there's a method called os.path.exists. If you want to check whether or not if a file exists on your PC, you want to grab the file location. So I'm going to grab this image file location. And I'll paste the file location to the exists function. And let me convert this to raw string. And I'll print the output with the print function. Now if I run the script, and it's going to return 2 because this file exists on my PC. But if I modify the file path, and let's insert another integer at the end. Let's do dsf13275. Now if I run the script, and it's going to return false because this file location does not exist on my PC. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to cover in this video, and hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.